Fibonacci, the golden ratio, was discovered by Leonardo Pisano in 13th century, and exact same patterns repeat in financial market. This is Paula Peters, founder of Fibonacci Trading Institute and Alpha Fibonacci method. Alpha Fibonacci retracement tool identifies trend reversal areas days, weeks, months and years in advance, which will override all indicators. And when price comes to Fibonacci reversal zone, market will collapse no matter what the fundamentals or earnings are, all identified in advance. Here's December 2021. Buying Amazon is not a brilliant move. Catastrophic sell-off on Amazon. Not the place to buy into. You know this in advance. Short sell-off is on. Here's Bitcoin on January 1st. Catastrophic collapse is on. Here's gold. Gold in free fall. You're not buying Apple at this level. With the power of the system, you know this far in advance. Euro reached reversal zone. Sell-off is on. The crash on Tesla was identified by Alpha Fibonacci System far in advance. You also have an option with the software for NinjaTrader 8 with multi-market scanners and trade recognition software.
Seriously, it's rare that I take a loss. You know, I say it's over 90%, but it's probably higher than that, 95%. Thank you for the instruction. Thank you for caring. Thank you for the things that you do, you know, for your attendees in your class.
I'm very analytical. I have never come across a more objective roadmap, a clearer roadmap, where you can pretty much look at a chart and make a decision, make a snap decision within seconds as to whether or not one should engage in a trade or not.
The system is just fantastic. So currently, this month in July, I'm at 514 points. I trade Dow and keep an eye on gold and Nasdaq, and I find the system is just really easy to understand. It's far better than listening to my economics teacher. Thank you very much.
I'm up to 80%, mid-80s, win-loss ratio. She taught me exact entries, targets, stops. I can't say enough to promote this young lady and her extreme passion for teaching. Thank you, Allah.
You master this, you can trade anything.